Today, I'm gonna show you how to make pink pickled onion. Pink pickled onions? Pink pickled onions. They are super easy to make, and you can make them at home. And some of my favorite restaurants use them all the time. Hattie and Bud, Yard Sale Pizza, Voodoo Ray's. Probably the queen of pink pickled onions has to be the lovely people at Club Mexicana. They brought the pink pickled onion to the main street in London. You can zhuzh up anything with your pink pickled onions. So first of all, what you're gonna need are onions. Okay, you can see I'm using both red and white onions. You normally use just red onions. If you mix in a white or two, if you have them, they'll take on the same color too. The thing we're gonna need is vinegar, salt, sugar to help them be a little bit of sweetness. And then we want some aromatics, some pink and normal peppercorns here. So let's get going. Slice your onions really finely. I am going to use a mandolin. Take your peeled onion and you just very carefully, without hurting yourself, slice them on the mandolin. If you don't have a mandolin, you can use a knife, but this just ensures that you always have really even and consistent slices. We're gonna do the white ones now. Okay, and the last one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix them up. Pack the onions into a jar really tightly. We've got our onions packed. It's now time to make our quick pickling brine. Okay, now for the brine, our glass measuring jug, just so that we can see the measurements. We are going to put in it 4 tablespoons of salt, 4 tablespoons of sugar in there, all of these pink and black peppercorns in, 400 mils of freshly boiled water, and I'm just gonna stir it to help everything dissolve into the brine. And then we are gonna top it up with the same amount of vinegar. Now we are going to slowly pour it in, slowly filling it, slowly filling it, slowly filling it, until you almost get to the top. Go back in. You've got a beautiful destiny ahead of you to be pickled. I like to make sure that my pink pickled onions sort of macerate or sort of pickle for at least 24 hours, waiting for them to turn pink. Pink, turn pink, turn pink.